this is Tash Tires. Just wishing you guys a happy new year. And just wanted to show you something in the BMW 3 Series, the new one. Now the new 3 Series has sent us a message saying happy new year. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, as well as from myself to you. Happy new year once again, and may the 2021 be the best year. The 2020 was the worst for everyone. So I just wish everyone has the best out of 2021. Yeah, finger crossed as well. So I'm just going to show you this. Just give me 1 second. Alright, now check this out. Yeah, so the BMW 3 Series, this is the new one, as you can see right here. And I'm just going to show you something quite cool. Wow, that was sick. That was from BMW itself. So yeah, just once again, happy new year 2021. Be good for all of us. Thank you very much. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There we go.
Happy new year, and I hope you lot enjoy your coffees, because Costa's closed tomorrow. So happy new year, and may that be the best year of your life. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.